We're here in Kapilay Spring Park. So this is the Kapilay Spring Park. Muna siya ang Kapilay Spring Park. Kani, muna siya ang first nga anhian. Sunod kay ambot sa kambugahay mangguro. Kambuhagay. So what can you say about the Kapilay's
So we are now here in Kapilay. Yes, so here in Ski Hall.
Yes.
Um,
So?
it's very nice place. You know, everyone here is having fun.
So what they get?
Let them show you. We're living young and wild and free here. That's why we're having fun.
So this is the family.
We're having fun. We don't care who's carries. We'll have to go out. That's not supposed to be.
Yeah!
Wild
and young and free.
Okay.
So free.
Yeah!
This was supposed to be video na po liyan. Living on and free.
Yeah!
Kaya siya na video visa. Naglangoy ka siya sa ilawom ba? Kaya ang ilang cellphone kay pwede man isurat itong murag plastic na kuhan.
So that they know.